I'm Khurrum Dhanji, the CEO and Managing Partner of Imagineering Inc. Imagineering is a contract manufacturer. We've been in business since 1985. We service everybody from submarines all the way through spaceships and everything in between. We offer full turnkey as well as consignment assembly, so we can either buy your parts and source your boards, or you can supply everything to us. We're happy to do it either way for our client. Beyond that, when it comes to our bareboard fabrication, we offer multi-layer, rigid and flex. We offer exotic substrates, Rogers material, Nelco, Arlen. We have the ability to do things within 24 hours, same-day turns, or extended lead times as per our client's needs, and that includes both bareboard fabrication and bareboard assembly. Imagineering offers a multitude of turnaround times to suit all of our clients' needs. We have clients that are in prototyping phase, so we offer them same-day to 3-day turnaround times, as well as clients that are in their production phase, where we can manufacture from anywhere from 7 days up to 15 days at either our local or our offshore facilities. What separates Imagineering from our competitors, first and foremost, is our customer service, our fast turnaround times, as well as our dedication to quality. As an aerospace certified company, we put quality first before anything else. As we're AS9100 certified, we adhere to a much stricter quality standard than most other contract manufacturers. We build as close to Class 3 as possible for all of our clients. We offer AOI, X-ray, first article inspections, first article approvals to ensure that the product that's going out of the customer's door is of top quality and will function as per their needs. All of Imagineering's production employees are all IPCA 610 certified, as well as a majority of them being trainers as well. All of our through-hole assembly employees are J Standard certified. What differentiates us from our competitors in terms of process is transparency. Transparency in pricing, as well as where we are in any step of the process of manufacturing. We like to keep our customers on top of what's happening within our facilities so they have the ability to plan for any future project that they may have coming up or to finish the project that's at hand. Our overall goal for any client of ours working with us is to ensure they're satisfied, not only with the quality of the product, but the experience of working with us. We pride ourselves on customer service, and we want to ensure that the customer is not only happy with their product at the end of the day, but happy with the service that their sales professional gave. We're looking forward to working with you soon. Please feel free to reach out to us for your next PCB or PCB assembly project.